Let's be brutally honest for a second. If you're in your 20s and you're constantly broke, it's not just bad luck, it's not just the economy, and it's definitely not because you just need to earn more. It's because you're unknowingly trapped in a financial system designed to keep you poor. And today, we're going to tear it apart, piece by piece. But here's the real kicker. Most people watching this will nod their heads, agree with every word, and still stay broke. Why? Because understanding isn't enough. You need action, urgency, clarity. And in the next 20 minutes, you're getting all three. Unless, of course, you prefer to stay broke, living paycheck to paycheck, debating between buying gas or groceries. Totally your call. Still here? Good. That means you're ready for truth. Let's start with the first silent killer of your bank account. Reason number one, you think budgeting is optional. Most 20-somethings treat money like vibes. You earn some, you spend some, you hope it works out. But money doesn't reward vibes, it rewards control. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll wonder where it went. Every dollar needs a job. Your budget is not restrictive. It's permission to spend without guilt. And speaking of guilt, let's talk about the second reason you're broke. And it's going to sting. Reason number two, you're flexing a lifestyle you can't afford. Let's be real. You're not really broke. You just spend like you're rich. Uber Eats 4 times a week, concert tickets, designer shoes, and somehow, no emergency fund. You're chasing aesthetic wealth instead of actual wealth. Wealth is what you don't see. No one claps for the guy who packs lunch. But guess what? He's the one with investments growing quietly in the background. But hey, as long as you've got the new iPhone, everything's fine, right? Wrong. Dead wrong. Reason number three, you think you have time. You think saving and investing is something you'll do later, when you earn more, when you get your life together. But every day you wait, you're bleeding opportunity. Let me break it to you. If you're not investing by 25, you're already behind. Time is your greatest wealth multiplier, and you're wasting it. And if you're not wasting time, you might be wasting something even more valuable, your attention. Reason number four, you've been financially brainwashed. The average 20-something scrolls past thousands of money lies every week. You need to hustle 24/7 to get rich. Credit cards are evil. Money is the root of all evil, all garbage. You weren't taught how money works. You were taught how to be a consumer. From school to social media, you've been conditioned to spend, not build. But the wealthy, they play a different game. And in a moment, I'll show you exactly how to switch sides. But first, let's expose the trap you walk into every single month. Reason number five, your debt is draining you, silently. Debt isn't just numbers. It's a parasite on your financial future. That $3,000 balance at 20% interest, if you make minimum payments, it'll take you years to pay off. And you'll pay double. Credit card debt is modern slavery with a rewards program. But hey, at least you got those airline miles, right? If you're serious about getting unbroke, cut the bleeding first. Reason number six, you don't have a system. You have chaos. Wealthy people don't rely on discipline. They rely on systems. Automatic transfers, budgeting apps, savings, buckets, pay yourself first automation. When your system works, your money works, even when you're not thinking about it. And now that you know why you're broke, let's talk about how to flip the switch and never be broke again. Step one, build your Fish It fund. Start with $1,000. Then 3 months of expenses. This is your safety net and your power to say no to toxic jobs and bad situations. Step two, track every dollar like your life depends on it. Because honestly, it does. Use apps, use spreadsheets, use sticky notes. Just know where your money's going. Step 3. Learn how to multiply, not just earn. Saving isn't enough. You need to invest consistently. Start with a Roth IRA. Contribute to your 401k. Buy boring index funds. Automate everything. The goal isn't to work for money, it's to make money work for you. Step 4. Rewire your mindset from consumer to owner. You don't need more income. You need more discipline, more education, more delayed gratification. Ask yourself, would future me thank me for this purchase? You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because you were never shown the blueprint. But now you have it. The only question left is, will you actually use it? Or will this video just be another motivation hit you forget by tomorrow? If you're ready for the real truth about saving money in your 20s, click here next. The harsh truth about saving money in your 20s. Because once you fix your spending, you need to fix your saving mindset next.